So there's a few main ways that you can create products in Warehance. First, make sure that you're on the products tab over on the left-hand side, and you should see a products table. The first and easiest way to create products is if you connect an external marketplace, we will pull in all the products from that marketplace by default. The second way to create products is to go up to More Actions in the top right and click Create, and then you can just fill out some of the information here and create a product in Warehance. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. Alright, I filled out all the required information, so I'm going to go ahead and click Create Product, and as you see, I've created a yellow t-shirt product. I'm going to head back to the products table. The third way to create products in Warehance is by importing them via CSV. So if you already have a CSV of product information, go ahead and upload that now, and we'll map that in the next step. Otherwise, go ahead and download a template and fill it out, and I'll show you what that template looks like. So this is what your template is going to look like before you filled anything out, and it just has some of the fields that we give you to map up to Warehance properties. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out, and then I'll show you that. Alright, now that I've filled out some of the product information, what we're going to do is go up to File and download this as a CSV. I'm going to come back to Warehance and import that downloaded CSV. And as you can see, we have some Warehance properties here on the left, and on the right hand side we have something that's a CSV column. So if I click into one of these drop downs, these are all of the columns in the CSV that I uploaded, and I can choose which column and its values match up to the Warehance property on the left. So in this case, I have a name property in my CSV, and I have a name property over here I'm going to match it up with. Now, my template matches the Warehance properties perfectly because it's the template that we provide you, but if yours doesn't, that's okay. You can just go ahead and map up whatever fields you want from your column into the Warehance properties. For products, make sure that you select a client at the top. I'm going to select Tim's Tees. The last thing I'm going to show you on product imports is going to be custom value. So custom value allows you to set the value for a certain property for all of the products you're uploading. So let's go down to width, for example. If I choose custom value, it's always going to be at the bottom, and I set 5. Now every product that I upload here is going to be uploaded with a width of 5. So I'm going to go ahead and finish mapping up these columns, and then we'll import them. Alright, I've gone ahead and mapped up all the columns that are required, and I'm going to press confirm, and this will start importing my products, and it's already done. So if I go back and I search T green, then we should have a green t-shirt that shows up.